Alright, hey guys, this is the second part. Today we're going to get out the 2 Bantam chickens. Man, this is what those guys are the ones that are squeaking a lot.
This guy right here is only a few days old. We named her Sunshine.
What's this one's name?
We don't have a name for any of the other ones yet, but this one was named Sunshine.
Overruled by your girlfriend, because that's what she liked.
She's cute.
Yeah. These are really
They're
cute.
really loud. The Bantams,
Little white chickens.
really loud.
It's nice though, it's kind of soothing. Nice little chickens.
Then just walk around. Okay.